Super Truck Team, huddle! I'm the excavator, and I'm good at digging. I'm a crane. I'm very strong. I'm the bulldozer. I'm an expert at pushing the dirt. Dump truck. Road roller. Concrete mixer. We're Super Truck Team. We're not afraid of difficulties and are ready for a challenge. We haven't completed all bridge construction. Excavator, transform! Super Truck Team, let's set off! A bridge needs to be built here to enable vehicles on both sides of the river to pass through quickly. Truck Team, I'll count on you for this task. You can count on us. Super Truck Team, let's get to work! I am the excavator. You can leave the task of digging for bridge construction to me. Be sure to tighten the steel wire with the handle. The bridge pier is set up. I am the crane, and I will complete the task of lifting the bridge deck. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Drag the lifting hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
I am the concrete mixer, and I will complete the task of mixing concrete. Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air-dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine. That's not correct. Try again. Truck team, the bridge you have built is so amazing. Thank you very much.